Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a fourth-year ECE student in the ECE BSMS program. So I'm taking ECE 276, which is reinforcement learning.
Hi, I'm Alexander Khoury. I'm in the ECE department and doing research in robotics. Our project is building upon one of the state-of-the-art algorithms in reinforcement learning called Rainbow. And it performs really well on solving Atari games. So here we have Alien and Breakout. Alien is a game similar to Pac-Man. It needs to collect all the dots while avoiding the monsters. And Breakout is a game where you're trying to break all the blocks on the top of the frame. And then we also have Freeway and Pong, which Freeway you have to get the chicken to cross the road. It's much like Frogger. And Pong, you're supposed to score on the opponent by bouncing a block.
And basically, the program starts from scratch. We provided a reward function, which basically tells it whether it's doing good or bad. And then the program starts from scratch and learn how to play the game without any knowledge. And then being able to play at a human level or even above human level.
So the algorithm is looking at the image of the game and trying to determine what the best next action for the game. And after time, it basically will play the game lots and lots of times. And after time, it'll learn what the optimal strategy is.
So right now, we are only applying our algorithms on games and different classical control problems. But essentially, the goal is to teach robots to do tasks that are now manually required by humans, or even performing really precise and difficult tasks. So I think my best thing about robotics is that I believe robotics would be really beneficial to the future. It would be a good companion and aid to humans, but also the society as a whole.